Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rainbow and I've got a neurological condition called Tourette's. Today we're making scrambled eggs. What did you say? What did you say? Pardon? Whoa, fuck off. Beans. What did you say? What did you say? So we start by cracking the egg. Come on. Okay, one. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Huh? What did you say? Huh? Huh? What? Pardon? What? What did you say? I shouldn't have had this here. Why was it here? Well, apparently you add water. Smells off. Pardon? Guess what? Beans. Two. Hey. Not even phased anymore. I'm just used to it at this point. What did you say? Spaghetti. Please no. Spaghetti. Chicken nuggets. Wow. Now you add just enough milk to make the eggs a nice pale orange. So I just add a little bit at a time. Again. Or half the milk. Yummy. Mom! I'm adopted! Huh? What did you say? And then you cook. Hey, you cook my tits. What did you say? Hey, buddy, your mum? What's that? What did you say? No. Dip. I don't know if there's meant to be this much smoke. I've made scrambled eggs before, but there's never been this much smoke. So this is our final product. Now we're gonna taste it. Milky. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!